Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today I'll be solving some of the DSAT problems related to linear inequalities. Okay, so let's go to number 1. Which of the following is the solution to the inequality minus x minus 4 is greater than 4x minus 14? So we have to solve this inequality in term of x. So let's get started. So write the question. So minus x minus 4 is greater than greater than 4x minus 14, right? So let's remove x from this side. So minus x, we have to add x on both sides. Okay, it's greater than 4x plus x minus 14. Okay, this x is gone, this is minus 4 is greater than 5x minus 14. So let's remove this 14 from both sides. So let's add 14 on both sides, greater than 5x minus 14 plus 14. So these two are gone. So we have 10, right, greater than 5x. Now divide both sides by 5. This will be 2. 5 to 10 is greater than x, or we can also write x is simply less than 2. So if we see, this cannot be, this can be x less than 2 means a that is minus 1, right? That is less than 2 is our answer. So let's go to number 2. So which of the following system of inequalities could be the one graphed in the xy plane above? And we have given the options like this, like y is greater than 3, y is greater than x, y is less than 3, y is less than x, like this. So first of all, we have to know which lines are these. Okay, then we can use inequality. So let's see this line. Okay, if you see this line, okay, this line, so this line is actually y is equals to 3, and this line, if you see, it is passing through the origin equally inclined to the both axes. That means this is simply y is equals to x. So what we can see here, let's see, and if you see this line, this shaded region is like below the y equals to 3 line, right? So shading is done below. That means what? Y is less than 3. And here you can see y equals to x. Okay, here also you can see the line, the shaded region is above the line, right? Above the line means the value of y is what? Greater. That means this is what? This represents y is greater than x. Okay, so our answer is y is greater than x, y is less than 3. So y is less than 3, y is less than 3, y is greater than x. So C is our answer. So let's move to our another question 3. If n is an integer and 3n minus 2 is greater than minus 4 n minus 9, what is the least possible value of n? So first of all, we have to find the n in term of inequality and then find the solution. So let's get started. We have given, so let's open this bracket. So this is 3n minus 3 to 6 is greater than minus 4 and minus minus plus 9 4 is simply 36, right? Okay, 36, sorry. So let's remove 6. So we have to add 6 on both sides. Minus 6 plus 6, 4n plus 36 plus 6. So this gone. So this 3n is greater than 4n plus sorry, here is plus. So 36 plus 6 is 42, right? Okay, now what we can do, we can remove this minus 4n by adding 4n both sides. So 3n plus 4n is greater over minus 4n plus 4n plus 42. So this is this gone. So 4 5 6 7n, right? 7n is greater than 42. Now divide both sides by 7. So this is n by 7 is n. So greater than 7 into 6 is 42. So n is greater than 6, right? So our n is greater than 6. So what the question is asking, what is the least possible value of n? Means n is greater than 6 means n could be like 7 8 9 10 dot dot dot. But what is the least possible value? This is the 7. 7 is the least and the closest or we can say possible value of n. So this is the least possible value. Okay, okay, let's go to number 4. So it's the worst problem. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee and a $10 per hour rental fee. Okay, a person rent a surfboard for 30 hours and intend to spend a maximum of $75, maximum of what, $75 to rent the surfboard. Which is equality represents this situation? So this is also in term of linear inequality, means he only intend to spend what, maximum of $75. Means if you make the dollar inequality, you can say less or equals to 75. You can go maximum up to $75. Okay, okay. So total rent the surfer concept 25 service fee. 25 service fee means it is fixed, right? 25 is fixed, plus a person rents a surfer for 30 hour, and per hour this is what, $10. Means for 30 hours it will cost 10 into t. Okay, so this is your equation, that is or we can say inequality. So check the answer, A not, B is also not, C not, so D is this one, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is linear equality is one of the easiest question, right? So let's go to number 5. So we have given okay, y is greater than 14, nice. 4x plus y is less than 18. The point x comma 53 is a solution to the system of inequalities in the xy plane. Which of the following could be the value of x? Okay, we have given 2 points. This is x and this is y, right? Right. So check here. Y is greater than 14. That is 53 is greater than 14. Okay, that's true. Now let's check here. Plug and check it. Okay. So we have given 4x plus y is less than 18. Let's plug y here. Okay. So 4x plus what, 53 is less than 18. Okay, to remove this 53 we have to subtract 53 from both sides, right? 18 minus 53, so this is 4x. Okay, so this is 51 is 0 is less than, this is nearly minus 35. Okay, so 4x is less than minus 35. Now divide both sides by 4. So x we will 4 by 4 is 1, minus 35 over 4 is minus 8.75. Now again, what is the value of x? We can see here x is okay, x is less than minus 8.5, so it is greater, this also greater, this also greater, that is a. Okay, that is x is less than minus 8.5 is minus 9, so minus 9 is our answer. So let's go to number 6. Okay, it's quite long. To get to work, okay, Harry must travel 8 mile by bus, okay, 16 mile by train every day. Okay, okay, so these are the distance to be traveled by using bus and okay train every day. The bus travels at an average speed of x mile per hour. So we have given the what a rate of the bus, x mile per hour, and the train travel at an average speed of y mile per hour. If Harry's daily commute never takes more than 1 hour, so he takes no more than 1 hour to travel. Which of the following inequalities represent the possible average speed of the bus and train during the commute? So we have to set up a equation. So so this is the problem that is actually we can say involve the problem of rate. Okay, so we know the dot equation, that is d is equals to rt, right? D is the distance. Okay, distance is equal to rate into time. Okay, let's go and check. So what we are saying is that the okay, check here. If Harry daily commute never takes more than 1 hour, okay, so the traveling time is maybe equal to 1 hour or less than 1 hour, not more than. So our equation should look like this: less or equal to 1 hour. And if we have to set up the inequality, since this is in time, right, so we have to write like this: time taken to travel with what, train, first let's say bus. Okay, time taken to travel with bus plus time taken to travel with train should never exceed 1 hour, right? Or at least, or it will never take more than 1 hour. So it's there. So what is time? Time is simply distance over rate, right? So let's see here distance. So what is the distance traveled by bus? Is 8 miles. 8 miles divided by what is the rate of the bus? Bus is x mile per hour. Okay, plus what is the distance traveled by train? That is 16 over what is the rate of the train? That is y is less or equals to 1 hour is your answer. So C, 8 by x, 16 by y is less or equal to 1 hour. Okay, A is your answer, guys. Okay, so let's move to next question. I think it's the last question. Okay, so we have given inequality like k is less or equal to x is less or equal to 3k plus 12. Which of the following must be true? So we have given 1 2 3 and answer options are true is 1 only, 2 and 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 2 3 only. So to that we have to solve individually and break the inequality in different parts. Okay, k is less or equals to x is less or equals to 3k plus 12. Okay, so let's see number 1. Okay, if we see here we see this part here, right? 3k 12 and we see x, so we take the second and third part, that means this two part. Let's take it. So x is less or equals to 3k plus 12. So we have to take 12 to next side, so this means we have to subtract 12 from both sides, right? 3k plus 12, so this is x minus 12 is less or equals to 3k, so which is exactly 1. So this is also true, right? This is true. So let's see next. So here we have given k is greater equal to minus 6, means this is k and this is k. So it has taken first and third part. So let's take k is what? Less or equals to what we say? First and third part. Less or equals to 3k plus 12. So what we can do? We can take 3k to both sides, right? So to do that 3 minus k minus 3k is equals to 3k minus 3k plus 12. Okay, so this is minus 2k, right? K minus 3k and 3k is gone, less or equals to 12. Now divide both sides by 2, this becomes minus k is less or equals to 6. Okay, now look here, we have given k is greater equal to minus 6, so here is no minus, right? So what we can do here is very important step, just remember guys. Okay, this is very critical step. So if you multiply the inequality by negative, the inequality sign flips. For example, if a is less than b and I multiply both sides by minus, okay, minus, then this sign flips. So simply what I can do, if I multiply both sides by minus, k will be greater or equals to minus 6. You have to understand that. Okay, so k is greater equal to minus 6, right? This is also true. Okay, okay, let's go to number 3. X minus k means it has taken first and second inequality, first and second part of inequality, that is k is less or equals to minus x. So k is less or equals to minus x. What you can do, if you k to that side, that means we have to subtract k from both sides, right? That is x minus k. This is 0 is less than x minus k, or I can also write this is x minus k is greater or equals to 0. Okay, so this is also true. Number 3 is also true, that means 1 2 and 3 all are what? True. Okay, so D is your answer. So guys, these are the some of the tips solving the linear inequalities. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So bye bye until the next video.